Hi guys, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to talk about the new updates regarding DV Visa Green Card Lottery. So if you are trying to register for your Green Card Lottery in the recent 6-7 days, the website was actually down for maintenance, so you probably already know this issue. And today I want to talk about what are your options if you already registered or if you haven't, is the lottery still on, blah blah blah. Okay, so I'm gonna wait while you guys tune in, and when you do, let me know where you're from, if you have registered, and possibly what is your question so I can answer your questions, so you are super crystal clear and you know how you can actually apply for your DV lottery this year. Okay, also there is a chance that next year this lottery won't be on, so maybe this is the last time when you actually do have a chance to apply. So I highly recommend to watch this whole live Q&A so you know what to do. Hi honey, how are you, where are you from, and what is your question? Okay, so basically the site has been down. I think it started like a week ago or 8 days ago, and I've been receiving many emails from you like, what should I do? The site is down, can I still apply? Yes, you can still apply because there has been some technical issue. You can apply starting tomorrow. So they will do another registration period that's going to start tomorrow, and it's going to conclude on November 22nd. So you can see the dates up there where I wrote the dates for you. It starts tomorrow and will end on November 22nd. So if you applied already, you need to register again. So this kind of sucks because many of you guys already applied, and you need to register again if you want to be in the lottery. If you want to be considered, you have to register again. Very important. So, by the way, if you like what I'm saying, you have to please share this video with your friends, possibly people who already registered, because they all need to know this. Just because you register doesn't mean you are in. All the applicants who submitted the entry starting from October 3rd till October 10th are automatically disqualified. So you need to register again. And if you haven't registered, that's fine. Good for you, because you can register tomorrow, starting tomorrow, and you will have 1 month period when you can register. Amir, I want document that I flow. You mean document that you follow? I do have a course for those who need help. If you need help, you can access the course at ImmigrationBizAcademy.com, and the course will guide you how you can submit your entry. So make sure not to make any mistake, because once you submit the entry, you cannot go back. You cannot fix it. Once you submit it, it's submitted. You cannot go back and fix it. So make sure to either read instructions, get the guide, or get a course. Whatever you do, make sure you don't make any mistake, okay? You cannot go back and submit it. Hi Marieta, I already registered before the site went down. Will I need to retake? Yes, you need to retake. You have to register all over again from the beginning. Hello, I cut the numbers, still make problems for the winners as I apply for 2015. I mean, if you applied, I'm not sure I understand your question. If you applied in 2015, you have to still apply again. It doesn't matter whether you applied, you still have to apply. That's what I'm saying. Very important to know. You gotta apply again. It doesn't matter if you applied last year or a week ago when the site was on. You gotta apply again if you want to be in. So you have to apply starting tomorrow, October 18th, till November 22nd. You can apply for your DV lottery. Okay, in order to be considered. That's it. That's the news. And whoever applied, you still need to apply again, because unfortunately all the applicants who already applied are disqualified. If you're asking me if you need to take another picture, I think you can use the same picture you just used a week ago or whenever this year when you were applying, because those applicants who already applied this year are not considered. So you can still reuse the same picture. You don't have to take the same picture again. And oftentimes the question is, because you cannot apply more than once, right? Otherwise you will be disqualified. So if you apply again, second time this year, this is exception. You won't be disqualified. In fact, you need to apply if you want to be considered. So you are fine. Just apply again starting tomorrow and follow all the instructions. And the rest is the same, like all the rules. Okay, so make sure to check the requirements, like what are the countries that are eligible. Oftentimes I'm asked if the age is important. What's important is actually whether you meet the educational requirements such as high school diploma or equivalent. So if you are not high school grad, you need to have equivalent of that, okay? So probably if you're 8 or 9 years old, you cannot apply because you're too young. I'm assuming you do not have a high school diploma. After 1 week, I will apply DV visa. I'm from Nepal. Yes, Nepal is eligible country. You can apply starting tomorrow. Tomorrow the registration will open. It means confirmation number for the first registration form is not needed. Exactly, Arjun. The registration, the confirmation number from the first registration is not valid anymore. So when you apply again, save the new confirmation number. Make sure to use the same confirmation, the new confirmation number, when you will check next year whether you were selected or not. And you will be able to check it on May 1st, 2018. So use the confirmation number from the second entry if you already submitted your green card, okay? I hope that it's clear now. So then what will follow is that once you submit the entry, I applied and won. Oops, I lost the comment. Can you ask me again? You apply and won, and the visa numbers for every year, it means even if we won. Yes, exactly. Even if you are selected in the green card DV lottery, you have to be eligible in terms of be admissible. So that means that if you want to actually get the green card, the actual green card, you need to apply for it. And in my course, I talk about it. I talk about the process, how you can apply for your green card. You either gonna apply yourself or you hire a lawyer. It's not as simple as submitting the entry. Submitting the entry, anybody can do that. When you're putting the application package together in order to be considered to be admissible, it's a little bit more complex. So you will need to put together the package and apply if you are selected next year. And then by applying, you will fill out DS-260, and DS-260 will help you to actually get your interview. And while you have your interview, you will see if you are admitted. While applying DV visa, I heard that the picture should be clear. Is it true? Well, when you're applying for your visa, yeah, exactly. Eligible versus admissible, two different things. When you're applying for your picture, you need to have white background, beige background. Basically, the best background is white background. And while you're applying, if the picture is correct picture, the system will let you submit the entry. Otherwise, it's not able to submit the entry, okay? The system generates, there is an error, and you cannot submit the entry if the picture is not correct. So yes, if you do have something wrong with your background, the system won't allow you to submit the entry, okay? So I guess you will know whether you are on a good path or not. So you will understand if the picture is good or not. But you can again read the requirements, how to submit the right picture, learn the requirements, take a picture and do it yourself. You can even take a selfie and then you can adjust it in Photoshop. So you don't need to hire a professional photographer, but make sure to have a white background. Hi sister, I want special account for you and I want more help because this is my first time. I want to see my chance. There are restrictions in picture. I'm not sure what you're asking me, but if you need my help, again, go to this link and enroll in the course. and I explain in the course how you do it yourself. Also, frequently asked question is, do I need to hire an agent or lawyer? No, you don't. You don't need to hire anybody. If you need help, you can, but you can do it yourself perfectly fine. Okay, so I hope this helps. And again, one thing is to be admissible. Another thing is to be eligible to apply. And these are two different things. One thing is to be eligible. Who are the eligible countries? I already mentioned it in my course, and also I did it in my free guide that you could download. And in that guide, you see the list of countries. Also, you can go to the official site, dvlottery.state.gov, and you can read instructions. You see the eligible countries. That's one thing. You gotta be from eligible country. And another one is that you have to have the high school diploma. These are two requirements in order to submit the entry. So this is how you are eligible. And another thing is to be admissible. So once you are eligible, then you gotta be admissible, right? Now, in order to be admissible, you gotta apply for DS-260 and you have to be selected in DV lottery. And then you go for interview and you put the package together and you pay the fee. Someone just asked if it's 160. I think it's higher fee. I don't think it's 160. 160 is the fee when you go apply DS-160, not 260. For example, tourist visa, B visa, okay? The fee is higher. And then you pay the fee, you go for interview, you put the package together, and then you will be admissible or not to United States. And once you arrive to United States, then you will, and meanwhile there is a medical check that you need to go to your doctor and get the result, and in sealed envelope you have to bring it to the US consulate and other things that are involved. And then you will take the package and go to United States. You fly to United States and you will receive your green card once you are in United States. Lobsang, no what? I'm not sure what is this no, but that's how it is. The DS-260, it's a different form. It's an immigrant visa form. DS-160 is non-immigrant visa form, okay? How can I check the picture is correct or not? Yes, you go to dvlottery.state.gov and you're going to see over there photo tool. Hit the photo tool and you can see the requirements also explained over there. And again, if you need further help with the picture, how to take a picture, blah, 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 check out my course, ImmigrationBizAcademy.com. Now, I want to mention that there are people asking me if they can submit through mobile. Yes, you can submit through mobile, but make sure to use the correct browser. Like, I don't think that the iPhone 6 or 7, 8 has like the old browsers, but sometimes when you are using the old browsers, you might encounter some problems with the submission. So make sure to use updated browsers, and you can certainly submit through your phone as well. So I hope this helps, guys. Let me know if you have more questions. Otherwise, I'm gonna wrap up. And again, if you need further help, feel free, check out actually some of the free trials that I have regarding my course at ImmigrationBiz Academy. And you are very welcome. I hope that this video helps. Make sure to share with people who especially submitted the entry, because those people might not know that the issue persists with the website, and because they submitted an entry, they might think like, okay, I'm good. No, you have to reapply again in order to be part of the DV lottery. Ma'am, is the DV lottery selected by people or other way? A good question, Arjun. I don't work for government. I am an attorney licensed to practice law in the United States. I'm not associated with government. I don't know this. As far as I know, it's a random selection, computer-based electronic selection of applicants. Okay, so I hope this helps. If you have any questions after the live, you can also post them below this video, and I'm happy to answer it for you. And I'll see you in my next live. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.